Good morning, everyone. So, I am Raquel P. Capino from BS Ed Science 3A, and I am going to show you how to solve this problem. Suppose that a 26-year-old physics teacher fall in love with a 17-year-old student. Since the relationship is forbidden, the teacher lives on a rocket trip and the spaceship travels at a speed of 0.99 speed of light and is gone for 13 years as measured on an Earth clock. How old are the teacher and the student when she returns? Can the student marry his teacher at last? So, we will know the answer at the end of this video. So, to solve this problem, we are going to use the proper time formula. So, this is our formula for stationary time. So, we are going to use this formula is because it involves describing the path through space-time that represents a clock, observer of test particles, and the metric structure of the space-time. So, consider that the teacher, as you can see in the problem, is traveled in space. So, now, let's substitute the value of this formula. So, our measured time as said in the problem is the 13 years. So, it said that 13 years as measured on Earth clock. So, this is our measured time. So, let's put the 1 here. And now the b squared or the velocity. So, what is our velocity here? So, velocity is the speed. So, what is the speed of teacher? So, this is our velocity. 0.99 speed of light. 0.99. So, just copy our speed of light here. So, after we substitute the value, we are going to cancel these two. So, we are now going to calculate this. So, when you calculate this in scientific calculator, the result of the Q is 1.83. So, this is our result in using the proper time. So, we are now going to calculate the age of the teacher using this. So, we are now going to add 1.83 to the age of the teacher when she lives on a rocket trip. So, +26 plus 1.83 so the answer is 27.83 years. So this is the age when she returns in Earth. So 27.83. So 27.83. So now we have to calculate the age of the student when the teacher leaves. So 17. So 17. So how we can calculate the age of the student? So we are just going to add 17 and 18 years. 17 plus 18. So the answer will be 30 years. So now we get the age of the student, which is 30 years old. So the last question is, can the student marry his teacher at last? So the answer is yes.